Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to combine two indicators in TradingView. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To do this, open your TradingView chart. In the top left corner, you'll find the Indicators and Strategies button. Click on it, and a search box will appear here. Type RSI and select it from the list that pops up. You'll notice the RSI indicator appear below your main chart in a separate pane. Repeat the same process to add the MACD. Just type MACD in the search box and add it to your chart. Once both indicators are plotted separately, the next step is to combine them into one pane. For the easiest method, simply click on the three dots of plot of the second indicator you added. In this case, we'll right-click on the MCD title. A menu will appear with several options. Here, you're looking for the one that says Move To. Hover over it, and another menu will show you option of Existing Pane above. Select Existing Pane above. This merges the MACD with the RSI in one place. Alternatively, you could choose to drag the indicator manually. Simply click and hold on its title, then drag it towards the pane of the other indicator. Either way you use, your indicators will now share the same space on your chart. Merging these indicators offers an additional option, adjusting the scales. Upon combining them, you'll notice options appear, typically in the right side scale area. Here you can choose to merge scales. And that's it. So that is how you can combine two indicators in TradingView. So that's all for this video. Thanks.